Google has just launched the Gemini 3 Pro with a seemingly infinite context window and a seductive promise. Throw all your code, your PDF files, everything in there, and the AI will understand. This made a lot of people ask me, Beatriz, did I waste my time studying RAG and vector databases? Relax, today I'm not going to give you an opinion. I'm going to show you the numbers. I did a stress test comparing Gemini's brute force against a RAG, and the result will hurt the wallet of those who don't pay attention. But first, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. My experiment is quite simple. I'm going to run 2 Python code snippets. The first downloads a book of approximately 3 megabytes, retrieves all the text, and sends it to the Gemini context window in a single request. The second code creates a simple RAG query, downloading the same book, splitting it into chunks, performing a semantic search, and sending it to LLM. Both scenarios are using Gemini 3 Pro. At the end, I'll compare the performance of the two, the processing time, and the cost. The first scenario took approximately 33 seconds, and here is the total number of tokens used. I'll show you the execution of the second scenario with the RAG query. I'll speed up the video a bit while the chunks are being broken down. This scenario provides a more focused and precise response. I also separated the RAG query execution time from the Gemini call time, which proved to be better than the previous call. And here's the big difference: the number of tokens used between the two. I'm displaying the approximate cost of the 2 requests on the screen for you. The first request, sending the entire file, cost approximately $3, while the same request using RAG cost 14 cents. This doesn't mean one is better than the other. You need to think carefully about the purpose of your solution before choosing the best technique. The infinite context using Gemini 3 Pro is very good for identifying patterns in a high volume of data. If our question is to summarize the book, Gemini clearly gives a much better answer using this context. However, if we need an answer about a specific chapter or topic, using a RAG is much cheaper and more consistent. If you've made it this far, consider subscribing to my channel. There's fresh content every week. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.